Understanding Dilations, Worksheet 20, question number 4. Consider each transformation described below. Is the image after the transformation a reduction of, congruent to, or an enlargement of the pre-image? Write the transformation in the correct box. Well, first of all, and you can thank me later, I want to save you some time, so instead of writing out what's entirely in the box, just put A, B, C, D, E, and F above the boxes like I did. Go ahead, pause your video and do that now. Okay, so instead of writing out what's in the box, you'll just write A in the correct column, B in the correct column, and so forth. Now, if the transformation they describe is a translation, a reflection, or a rotation, it is automatically congruent. You don't even have to worry about the rest of it. If it says translation, it's congruent. If it says reflection, it's congruent. If it says rotation, it's congruent. But if it says dilation, that's when you have to look at the scale factor. If it says dilation, that's when you have to look at the scale factor. And you have to compare the scale factor to 1. Is the scale factor greater than 1? Is it less than 1? Is it equal to 1? Remember, if it's greater than 1, it's an enlargement. If it's less than 1, it's a reduction. And if it's equal to 1, it's congruent. So I'm going to help you. Let's start with A. A says reflection over a horizontal line. Well, the second you see the word reflection, you should know that it is congruent. A reflection is congruent. So I go down to my boxes below, and I'm going to put an A in this middle box. It's because it says congruent to pre-image. Okay, I'm going to help you with B. B says dilation with a scale factor of 3.5. So your scale factor is 3.5. Is 3.5 greater than 1? Is it less than 1? Or is it equal to 1? Well, 3.5 is greater than 1. So go ahead and write scale factor is greater than 1 underneath the box B. And because the scale factor is greater than 1, that makes it an enlargement. So go ahead and put your B under the box where it says enlargement of the pre-image. So your job will be to answer C, D, E, and F on your own. Now there is going to be more than one letter in some boxes, so make sure you can just list them down. So for instance, you could have A, B, C, D. That's not the correct answer, so don't write that. But you get my point. Just mark them down in the box like that. Okay, so go ahead and use the information up above. Answer C through F. For E and F, go ahead and write down greater than, less than, or equal to with your scale factor, comparing it to 1, and put the correct letter above the boxes in the correct column. If you have any questions for number 4, let me know.